Hello guys, today we are going to look on the demo of my application, which is a customized POS application. The technology which I've used to create this application is I've used Electron and utilized React on the front end, and back end I used Express node. And database, I used Nedb. This is a file storage which sometimes being used in most of applications, but might depend on one's preference. And well, there is also another service part of verification, where this part is for verifying users or registering users who are going to use my application for them to be restricted to use my application for their own benefit. And well, that's how it is. Currently, it has been given to restaurant currently using it, and yeah, based on their preference, I customize it and set it up for them in a quick manner. And by getting started, and yeah, if you like to see some of the projects I've worked on, yeah, you can check my website. And yeah, it's straight to the application, and the application has the username and password. The username is assigned, and as well the password is generated based on his own preference. Yeah, there is a place where he will set up everything, and however, that thing have to be approved in order to be used. And this most admin is well, I have logged in. Once logged in, this username won't be taken by anyone else. There is a signature which is going to be assigned to these credentials and for someone else who has these credentials won't be able to use them. We have different categories or management services. We have category, product, stock. Contour is the request from one of my customer, and I had to add it. Is the same as the stock, but it's different just because based on the product phase and the expense credit. And by category currently have, let's say we have these categories, and for user to add a product, you will basically need to come right here and just say, let's say orange let's say, and he selects the category is drink. He select the price, yeah, and the price for per unit. This is the price per unit, and submit. Yeah, you can see that it will be added instantly. You can as well modify it if you want. So yeah, you can as well delete it. Once it have been added, it will be listed right here. And for user, he may want to add the last, the new, the now, and the consumed. These are the requirements which have been requested from one of my users and how to do them. And it is really helping him. And just because, let's say, by specifying what I've left last night and specify which the new which are coming in the stock and specify which are left, yeah, I will get the already so far consumed product. Yeah, by saving it, I can as well modify it if I want so, but you can't exceed the number. But if you save, it will be saved. Okay, and you can as well export with the Excel sheet. Yeah, this is quite cool feature, and you can as well search for any product you want. Let's try to export with Excel sheet. Let's put it right here. Okay, and let's try to open it. Well, as you can see, they exported products and their records are there. Yeah, it is working fine. And you will also as well be able to add expense. You may probably have both something else which are not related, or kind of helping your business to go like sold or anything else. Yeah, which can be used. You can also specify right here, let's say sold, and let's say 200, and yeah, and you specify the date. You can as well do the same, and you can also select people who have by, you will see that the price have been added. Let's try to add another thing like sticks for meat. Let's say you have, let's say, how much, and you say so far. Yeah, you will see that the price have been increased. It can also filter based on the date, and you can also add people who took something and they didn't pay it. They haven't paid yet, and yeah, you can add them. Let's say you have to only specify their name, Mark, Jack, and let's say it took the crate of chips and yesterday, and you may specify like how many. Let's say 2. Once it has been added, yeah, it will be listed right here, and you can also as well export it, search for different users, and use filter by date, and as well you can also export it. Yeah, don't know, let's see, probably something, well, Yeah, the PC hanged up. Anyway, that's how it is. That's how my platform is. I can't click on anything. Yeah, that's how my platform all day. This is a cross-platform, and so far, just because I use Linux, it it is installed currently in my Linux PC, and I've also installed it to Microsoft Windows while installing, setting it up for different, for those two customers. Yeah, that's how it is. And if you may want it, you can reach out to me. Thank you.